Here we are today doing a demonstration on the X Glide motorcycle helmet polish. I will do a demonstration today. This is a 200ml bottle with the polish. It's good size to put in your bag. It's also got a lock which is there to stop it. If you just press that, then obviously it's locked completely. So you just spray it on your motorcycle helmet. Use a good quality microfiber cloth and basically it's a water-based product which won't leave any residue on your motorcycle helmet or your visor. Because as we know, we can pay hundreds and hundreds of pounds for your motorcycle helmet, and you know, for very few pence that this product's cost. And there we are. There is your motorcycle helmet, which is a fantastic product. You can get this from our website at £6.50, including post and packaging. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to order any of our cleaning products, please order from our website, which is pmrammo.co.uk. Thank you very much.